So you say you see dolphins somewhere?
It's like, oh, camera.
Oh, I see them. There they are. Yeah, they're chasing the home.
We never had that in this boat.
Oh, little baby ones. Or they just look bigger. Close up. Well, there goes one. Yeah, they're chasing the hole. You see them? Wow, look how close they are. Oh my gosh.
I actually have a video on this one.
That'll take care of the seasickness, won't it? Yeah, why don't you sit down there? Oh, they're so close, should we name them? Oh, I heard a squeak. Did you hear that?
I heard that.
Yeah. Got 4 of them. We got a whole pod going on here. Look at the water, it's really nice. Oh, look how fast he's going, man. I think this is the first time we've had dolphins with this boat.
We've never had them.
Yeah. They're definitely playing. You're like a little kid. They like your boat, honey. You do like the bow wave. Huh? I thought that would cure the seasickness. They still up there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, they're still playing, huh? Alright, telltales are streaming, that's much better. So I got the mainsail up. The biggest problem I had trying to get that up was I had it lashed to the mast because of the wind overnight while we were anchoring. So it took me a little bit to get the wave to calm down a little bit, wind to calm down enough so I can get up there, unlash it, so I can pull this mainsail out. So we're good. We're doing about 6 knots now. Because the wind's come down a little bit. It's down about 10 to 11 now. Still got a few white caps. Still got a dolphin show going on. The Admiral's loving it up front. I swear we're attracting pods of dolphins to us. Ow. Oh man, he just did a jump right in front of the hull. He came totally out of the water right in front of the bow. Really? That's gutsy. They are really playing over here, aren't they? Well, this will keep us occupied for most of the trip.